With today, Kuki militants have been continuously attacking Meitei villages in Sugnu for the 5th day straight. Today early morning, heavy exchange of fire ensued between Kuki militants and state and central security forces and village volunteers. In the past 5 days attacked by the Kuki militants, sophisticated weapons and bombs including 81mm and 51mm mortar shells have been fired, damaging several Meitei houses. In the wee hours at around 4 am today, the Kuki militants have once again continued their attacks and heavy exchange of fire ensued till 8 am today. On the other hand, people of the Sugnu area are experiencing acute shortage of water during the current crisis. Speaking to ELITETV, residents of the Sugnu area expressed that residents of the area have been using the water from Sero and Sugnu river. However, owing to the frequent attacks by the Kuki militants, the residents of the area have been rendered unable to use the water resources from this river for the past 9 to 10 months. Residents of Sugnu area stated that almost all the villagers are daily wage workers, earning and living from hand to mouth with no government employees in any of the families. Due to such economical constraints, the people of Sugnu area are facing enormous hardships and they are very disappointed that the state government has not been taking any stringent actions to solve the current crisis and to take any actions against the Kuki militants.
लाइरब ngakne akhoi surga jabani tolop jaba yabusu nate nomge afang phang sura jare sarkar na masida karama mi yeng yenga leige haidana khalliba nga sibaw manungsida akhoi wabna haibu kam thengmana wabna khaifang khangdre punsida hingane haibusu thajaraktre akhoi ngaleira hadak tanate moina tawri ise nga marak khudingi bom kapchilak nomoi kapchilak tumpham chafam khangdana tha tara sema khoina khoise awabagi de pi de lai moina su wangmadagi napal laiba khunse moina thadokhrega moina kumdare bangkra mayam sajille kom tok thoe aduga ngale nawri khara kapchilak ngale bong khara kapchilak ngale nomai khara kapchilak thadara se akoi pothabam khangdara ngasi bhaujida lela abani adubu sugnugi aroi basida haipetang di sarkana muktadi mi eng changanninge